having a neat and organized closet isn't as mission impossible as you might think. To make sure you do just that, we're here to equip you with our hand-picked folding techniques that will definitely save your life. And they just keep getting better and better. In simple twists and turns, you can upgrade your folding game just like this. Perfect if you've got little to no wardrobe room too. We've definitely got a folding technique for each one of your wardrobe items. Let's show you how to perfectly fold your jeans too. And voila! There's even a folding technique for your winter clothes so they take as little place as possible. Blink too fast and you might just miss some of the steps. Easy and efficient. Tucking it all in as the last step and we're done.